to another midweek analysis video brought to you by Learnity. So we can actually see the targets that we've been calling on the DXY and on Euro USD and GBP USD actually being met. So we've been looking for bearish prices on Euro USD since previous weeks, and also on GBP USD we've been looking for lower prices, and we've seen how price has actually met those targets. So going further into future analysis and what could happen on these currency pairs, I still think the trend is going to continue. I still expect more bullish momentum on the GBP USD up onto 1.3 big figure. All right, I still expect the bearish momentum to be going, because from a weekly perspective and a weekly standpoint, we can see that the bearish PDRAs are not being respected, and instead we are having bullish breakdowns on weekly candles. So I'll be expecting this to go further down into 1.3 big figure. And then on Euro USD, I'll be expecting price to move down into 1.12 big figure. All right, that is my expectation for Euro USD and this level here. So if we go down into the daily time frame, this is what it should look like. All right, we should be looking for this level over here. So this is the analysis and this is the narrative, and I do not expect a deep retracement on either of these pairs. So a 4-hour retracement would be enough for me to start looking for selling opportunities on either Euro USD or GBP USD, because the trend is quite bearish and the momentum is heavy. So I'm not expecting a deep retracement into any previous mitigation blocks or other blocks to try to frame a trade idea from that. Instead, I'm waiting for bullish closures on the 4-hour time frame, and then I start looking for a shift of market structure on the lower time frame. All right, so that is the narrative and that is the approach I'll be using in trading this current pair, which is Euro USD and GBP USD. All right, and on USD JPY we can still be looking for bullish momentum. All right, but I'll stick with Euro USD and then GBP USD because they are much cleaner and have much and have better price action. All right, so on GBP USD, yeah, you can also see that if we get a retracement into any of these levels, this is an old low. So if we should get a retracement into this level, we can start looking for a breakdown on the lower time frame to actually trade to the direction of our anticipated movement. All right, so this is the narrative and idea I have for this week, and if you're going to be trading alongside this narrative and this idea, please do make sure you are using appropriate risk management sizes and make sure you do not over leverage on your trading accounts. Thanks for sticking to the end of this video, and until I come your way again next time, remember to always trade well and trade safe.